This car is Peugeot 3008 and is on the ramp, on the MOT ramp for a MOT. In MOT, the MOT tester need to change the tire, the disc, the parts, the exhaust, shock absorber, links. What else do you need to check?
Wheel bolt.
Huh?
Wheel bolt.
Wheel bolts.
Make sure it's there.
And from underneath you have to check all the lights is working. Reflectors, main light, number plate light, reverse light, registration light. And what else you have to check from underneath is the exhaust.
Exhaust secure.
Exhaust is secure, not leaking. Shock absorber.
Coil spring is not broken.
Yeah. And what else?
Caliper, there is
Calipers, no oil. And
tank is okay.
tank is no leaking or anything. And
The brake pipes.
brake pipes. And what's this? This is the exhaust, yeah?
Yeah, the
Exhaust.
check.
And this is
It's wishbone.
wishbone. Yeah. And what else do you have to same for
Brake
this?
pipe is okay.
Brake pads, wire, yeah?
Pipes.
Pipes, yeah?
Pipes. There's a link.
What's this?
Seal.
CV boot, yeah? And what's this?
Track rodent.
Truck holder. Rodent.
Rodent.
And this one?
Wishbone.
Wishbone, huh? And this one? This is disc, yeah?
This is this.
What else is there?
Up.
Hub, yeah? Which one can you put the
This is up.
hub, yeah? Oh, okay. They all need to be in good order for the MOT to pass. Huh?
Make sure the tire
The
is okay.
tire is okay. How do you know what's the tire limit like, legal limit? Can you show us?
1.6.
But how do you measure it like? Can you put the ramp down? So as you can see this gauge, this need to be, yeah,
This is the gauge.
yeah.
Yeah.
So
The minimum requirement is
Is
1.6.
1.6, yeah.
Yeah, this
So
one.
can you just check now?
So it's legal above the 1.6.
It's legal, yeah. This one is legal, and that one.
This is 3.5 mm.
Oh, this legal as well.
Yeah, this is
Okay. And how do you know the disc if it's past MOT pass? Like
this pad is advisory. This disc is advisory.
advisory, not fail, but it's advisory, yeah.
Yeah,
And the
advisory.
pads you don't have to do the power. You have to do.
No, we have to do the pad is okay as well.
But you just look at from your experience and, huh? Okay.
Yes.
And what else is important in MOT from outside, not from inside?
Everything is important.
Yeah. Horn. Wipers, horn, and what else is inside the car? What else is important inside? Seat belts.
Seatbelt, seats has to be secured.
I mean, you have to go up and down.
Yeah.
So can you put the car down? Can you show us? So can you show us inside the car what is important?
Then inside the door has to open from inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the seat belts,
Uh-huh.
seats,
Seat.
Seat has to be secure.
So what do you mean by secure? Can you
Secure means all the bolts has to be there,
Uh-huh.
and there shouldn't be any rust around the bolts.
Okay.
And then handbrake.
Uh-huh.
Handbrake has to be secure. Handbrake has to be working.
Uh-huh.
The handbrake ratchet has to be secure. It has to be working.
So what about these electric cars?
The handbrake.
Have to go down, as you can see.
Yeah.
This one. So this is going down. Okay. So light have to turn off.
Yeah. The switch has to be working. Should release and apply the.
Apply.
handbrake.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what dashboard sign
Yeah,
is
so
not
ABS
acceptable?
Yeah. So ABS light should come on
Uh-huh.
for a few seconds and should go off.
Uh-huh.
And airbag light shouldn't be there. Traction control, tire pressure lights on some cars.
Uh-huh.
It shouldn't be
Sure.
on.
Engine light.
Engine light shouldn't be on as well because it's
Any other malfunction?
Yeah, so
They
you-
shouldn't be on.
Yeah, so otherwise it will fail the emission test.
Okay. And do you have anything to do with the stereo or no?
Not anything to do with the stereo. Stereo is not part of the
Cigarette lighter,
Cigarette light is not part of the MOT.
heaters,
Heater is not part of the MOT.
glove box,
Nothing. It's not part of the MOT.
and gear is obviously
Yeah. That's
okay. And so heater is no part of the MOT. Window,
it. Windows, these kind of things are not part of the MOT.
so window working or no
It
working.
doesn't matter. It's not part of the MOT.
And what about center locking?
Certain lock is not part of the MOT. It's not part of the MOT as long as the doors close securely. The doors have to be secure.
And what about windscreen?
Windscreen, yes, the windscreen is part of the MOT.
Uh-huh.
So windscreen, if it's damaged,
Uh-huh.
it's obstructing the driver's view,
Uh-huh.
then it's a failure.
Uh-huh.
And small stone chips here and there, that's
It's
not
okay.
part of the MOT.
Okay. Any other important things that if somebody want to buy a car they need to check?
Yeah, if you want to buy a car and you want to make sure the car is in good working order, you have to do a bit of inspection yourself. So obviously go inside the car, check the seat belts, handbrakes, foot brakes, seat condition, fuel wash, horns, lights here and there. You have to check them.
Check them, yeah.
And
Okay.
the tires from outside you can see them.
Yeah.
Most cars you can see the brake pads, the discs.
Uh-huh.
You can see them. If they are worn. All the windows, you have to check the windows, central locking, make sure they lock and unlock. The window has to go up and down. It's a long, it's a, we'll do a video on it.
Yeah.